All right, good morning, everybody. I ran a bot, and we see my sub account is $51. I put $50 in there. I'm about to check it out. We see my assets overview is 3112. So what? It's like $6 more than it was yesterday. Calculating it by USDT. Let's go ahead and look at the trading bot. One running, and profits $1.26. Grid APR 920 and APR 844%. And it just says I'm up 2.31%. So it appears that I'm going to go ahead and stop this now because I'm going to get out while I'm ahead. What? Convert into USDT, please. So you had the option of return 2 coins. I don't want to keep this nonsense coin. I don't know anything about it. The only reason why I used it was because of paying attention to those profits. So let's get into it. So it says, I guess it's showing my total profits of all time. No. Profits 5, loss 1, P&L balance 4, win rate 50%. Today's profit's $1. That's not too bad off of $50. I just put $50 in there. So let's try to understand this a little bit more. So, yeah, see, it's going off historical profits when I was first starting. So in the beginning, I was doing $1,000 using KCS, which again, I feel like is safe because it's a legitimate coin, KCS and USDT. I ran it for an hour, made $18. This was a good one. KCS again, I ran it for 15 hours and made $41 off $1,016. But see here, I started fooling around with stuff I didn't know about. Let's even see if that still exists. ENQ. Let's look at CoinMarketCap. Gas prices are low. They're low-ish. It's 9 cents. It's up 1.9. It's had a nice little jump in the last day. What is this? Let's see, all time. When did this come out? In 2019. So it's something. All right. But anyway, I fooled around with that, and I lost $88. So erase all that. You see, your loss is always big. $2,000 got me $20 after 3 hours. Ran another one for 18 days. Okay, yeah, so I ran this for a long time. Put almost $1,000 in there. Just wanted to see what it would do long term. It only made me $28 after 18 days. So this was really the video I should have made to show you guys why I don't think this is worth it. I could have probably made more or probably about the same doing lending, but the lending would have been more sure, more guaranteed. No, I wouldn't have made that much lending. Not in 18 days off of $1,000. No, I wouldn't have done that. So okay, I'm sorry. I take that back. I guess I would have. I'm acting like I put up $100 and made 28. No, yeah, I would have made more than that in lending. It would have been safer. I ran this one for 2 hours. It seems the short term ones, the short runs make the most money. Doge might be an okay one to use, but it's filled with people who don't know what they're doing. And then I did this. I mean, $1 better than nothing. That was really out of all the things that was profitable, probably. Well, no, this was the worst one, but this is not the worst one because I only did it for seconds. So yeah, You see, I ran this one for 14 hours and made $1. So actually, when we look at it, it wasn't all bad. It's just I took a big hit with this, fooling around with stuff I didn't know about. Doge, KCS. I do like KCS. Let's do this. Let's run a bot using KCS, but let's first go look at KCS coin. We can look on Coin Market Cap. Although to get a better, more accurate look, oh my gosh, it's $19. And see, that's kind of a peak. You know what I'm saying? They haven't been $19, I don't think, ever. Except for maybe when it first came out. Yeah, so I don't like to use the bot when it's up like that, but let's try it. Let's see. I think I'm going to screw myself here, but let's see what people are doing, the highest ones. See, all weird stuff. And okay, and then see, another thing that we're missing, this is APR. Mine was just at 900% for APR. It didn't show daily. It showed the APR, which is annual percentage rate. So it's saying if things kept going the way they were, this is what you'd stand to make annually. And that doesn't mean really much of anything. It said that I made, I was up 900%, and that was just $1 off $50. And when we do that math, what percentage is that? Well, we know what the percentage was. It told me it was 2%. Say $1 divided by 50. Yeah, that's 2%. So, yeah, that wasn't bad though. 2% is not bad for a day. You didn't do anything. But let's go and create another bot. We're not using that. We're going to use KCS. And we're going to start our own KCS. Oh, wait. We want to go USDT to KCS. All right. Now the price range, it's telling you, this appears to be what it recommends, the price, the trading range between 13.46 and 25.09. If it goes past 25, it's supposed to just take profits and stop the bot. If it goes below 13, it'll do the same. It'll place 100 orders, profits grid after 0.08% fee. So it's going to try to shoot for profits within this range, which I think is good. Total investment, the trading bot will use your KCS and USDT in your trading account. Profits of KCS and USDT per trade will be settled at USDT. When price rises, the bot will sell KCS for arbitrage. Thus, the amount of KCS may decrease. Well, we're not using margin. So, let's go ahead and reinvest our little dollar profit here. And no, let's just do $50. Okay. So let's go ahead and create this bot. I like those parameters. And we'll just see what it does. I'm down already. Oh. Best thing to do is not look at it. We're going to run it for, let's look at our other ones. What was the optimal running time? I'll say a few hours was pretty good. So I'll check it throughout the day, but my sentiment is that it'll probably go down. So yeah, running after hour, a few hours, 15 hours, part of a day. So we'll do that. Anyway, let's go ahead and look at our lending. Well, we could do the math. We made $5. Yesterday it was at 31.06. We made $1 from this. which we see I'm already down $1. I already instantly lost that. Fooling around with that bot. And so if we subtract $1 here, that'd be $3.11. So that'd been $5. So that wasn't bad yesterday for lending profits. And so yeah, so there we go. Well, I guess put $1 back in my trading account, so it's still 51. And so yeah, that's it. Let's see if there's anything interesting going on with CoinMarketCap. Things should probably be up. Yep, all green. These are days you really don't want to. Well, I don't know. Let's test it. Maybe these are days you want to run the bot when it's green. You gotta be careful though. You know, make sure. Ideally, if we could set a time, put a timer on it, that'd be good. So let's see here. I wonder if we can go. Just click sub accounts, put a ticker straight to the bot. No, it doesn't. Let's go to Trading Bot. Okay. Well, no, there's no time limit. You have to just simply, if you want to do it within a particular time, you have to come do it yourself. Or you can just simply set tighter price margins, and that's it. Well, that's it for today's video. Hopefully this is helpful. And you know what I'll do in the future is make some videos just showing you guys how to do it. But I'm kind of just going through it, letting you guys see my process so you can see how I vet things. I only deal with and recommend you deal with coins that actually have some utility, like KCS or Ethereum. I wouldn't even deal with Bitcoin personally. But you know, those are the things you could do. And I'll get into a more how to and what to look for when you are running your bot. So anyway, hopefully this is helpful. I'll see you guys next time.